This contemporary home features white and gray siding with a welcoming wooden door. Wall-mounted planters with white flowers line the paved walkway under soft outdoor lights. A wooden gate with horizontal slats sits between concrete pillars and wall lights. Lush greenery and shrubs surround the paved walkway, creating a tranquil, modern entrance. An open modern gate reveals a path leading toward a distant driveway. Gray pillars with vertical lights flank the entrance, surrounded by green grass and well-kept shrubs. Rectangular stone slabs wind through a garden of ferns and gravel. Lights along a brick wall illuminate the path to a black metal gate, highlighting the textures of nature. A stone path leads through an archway of climbing plants toward a classic stone house. Warm lighting highlights the ferns and flowers, creating a tranquil, inviting garden. LED lighting glows along a wooden fence, illuminating potted monstera plants and a dark gate. The paved patio and modern house exterior create a sleek, contemporary space. An open metal gate stands between brick pillars and glowing lights. Stone steps and round greenery lead into a lush, inviting garden at dusk, complete with a tall palm tree. A black gate is set into a white fence, accented by clusters of orange flowers. A concrete walkway leads through the dark mulch and shrubs for a very welcoming home entrance. A black sunburst gate sits in a courtyard under strings of hanging lights. Potted plants and gray stone tiles complement the white walls for a clean, contemporary aesthetic. Tall green plants and bird-of-paradise flowers line a white fence with black trim. White stone tiles on the ground add a decorative touch to this well-kept garden corner. This modern courtyard features a decorative metal gate and glowing string lights. Potted succulents line the stone path, all illuminated by a warm and inviting ambient glow. String lights hang above a decorative black gate flanked by two wall lights. A brick path leads through a grassy area with vertical planters and greenery for a lush look. A black metal gate with ornate ironwork stands open at dusk, lit by wall fixtures. Palm trees and greenery frame the concrete driveway, all bathed in soft artificial light. A white slat fence with matching planters and green shrubs marks this front entrance. A concrete walkway leads to a wooden double door, reflecting clean, modern design. A black gate sits between wooden fences and large leafy plants in rectangular planters. The gray stone entrance is framed by trees and a modern house in the background.